had told us about coat hangers. You take the copper coat hangers, open them up and cross them. You walk over the water line. They should cross when you walk over the water line and move away when you go away. And I looked it up. I couldn't find anything on it except for the practice of divination and sorcery. So I tried it. Nothing really worked. But here today, the electric company came out, Duke's contractors, and they showed me a trick. This wire, flag, bend it. If you hold it real gentle, it's supposed to turn when you go over the water line. You cross over it. That's where our water line is. If you go like this, it's from the point where it turned to the point where it went back. The reason why that's important, I told them I wish he was here earlier because we just buried 1,000 feet of line and we must have hit our neighbor's line a dozen times, and it's very costly replacing that. And had we known this trick, then we probably would have avoided that.